This is PORTER cable 6-2 combo kit 20 volts. In this video, I'm going to open the box to check the tools to tell you how I feel it. Let's get started. It even comes with the multi-tool blade. Alright, this is multi-tool. Alright, actually, to my surprise, that it comes with two accessories. This is the circular saw blade, and this is multi-tool accessories. Very good set. First of all, it comes with the tool bag. So for the tool bag, the quality is alright. It's not like a very good quality bag, but actually it's pretty big. It can put all the tools in. You can say it's really handy, but the material is not that thick and it doesn't have any frames on it, but it comes with it. It's good stuff. Let's first check the drill. So this is the battery. The battery is very tight. I like it. It tight fit. Actually, it's very smooth. You see when it start, it doesn't like a jump. You see? I didn't hold it at all. It just didn't jump. It just don't jump. Perfect. And reverse. It feels very good in hand. And let's do a little bit test. This is 2. Alright, and it got the rubber handle, and the material is really solid. It's not a hammer drill, it's only have a drill function. Usually you don't need a hammer drill. I got 2 switch, and it got switch from the low speed to high speed, and it even comes with a little bit. And the drill itself is pretty balanced. I like it. And now let's check the impact. Wow, the battery looks good. You see the battery is a little bit big, so it's very stable to put the tool on the surface. And the impact actually is a little bit longer than other brand. So if it's a little bit shorter, like this, will be great. But it's not bad. Actually, it's not wobble at all. Let's see if it's wobble. No, it doesn't wobble. I think the quality control is good. And for the battery, you just push this, it comes out very easily. Let's put this one on. Yeah, for this tool, a little bit shaking too much, you see? Too much vibrating. And when you change the blade, just turn this. And the tool itself is not heavy, it's pretty light. But I think if you're going to do some light duty job, this tool is no problem. And this is the work light. The design is good. It doesn't take a lot of room, and you can change the direction. But there's no ways you can adjust how bright it is, but it's a working light. All right. This is the multi-tool, and for this price even include a multi-tool. It's just such a surprise. So you can just change the blade by pushing this. It's pretty tight. Wow, super smooth. Now this is 6. Let's go to 1. You barely can just feel it. It's small, you can grab it like this, and it doesn't really shake too much. And this tool is very smooth when it's operating and very quiet. This tool is good. And including in this set, unbelievable. Alright, this is the circular saw. Yeah, this saw is pretty stable. The blade is small, it's 5.5 inch, and you can do some light duty work. I can say that if you are cutting too much 2x4s, it's gonna be a little bit hard for this one. But if you just cut several, you're not cutting it all day long, it's not a problem. This is smooth, and you can adjust it, no problem at all. And let's check here. Very smooth. But only concern is that the base plate. The base plate is a little bit thin. Actually, it's not thin at all, but it's just kind of like a little bit not very strong. If the base plate is stronger, they will be definitely a very good circular saw. It also comes with a charger, but the charger only charges one battery at a time. This is not good. I prefer that you can charge the 2 batteries all at the same time. This is the multi-tool blade. Great. The blade is very expensive. So, what's my opinion? So this tool set, for this price, it's a surprise. It contains 2 most used power tools, drill and impact driver, and also the circular saw and reciprocating saw. These 4 are the most. For any DIYers, renovation, or any homeowners, you must have these 4. And usually this one is a luxury, but it comes with it. Such a surprise. Usually this one is pretty expensive to buy. And it comes with the working light. The working light usually is not that expensive, but since they come with it, it's good. And the battery is 20 volts. I think it's 2 AH. It didn't say. So for homeowners or just occasional DIYers, I think that this size battery is best because it's light, it's small, but it can supply the same power as the bulky batteries. You know, when you're holding the drill for like half a day, you really need a tool to be lighter. You can't afford to grab this big battery all day long. That's too much for your wrist. As for the quality, I like the drill, I like the impact, I like this multi-tool, I like the circular saw. The only thing I don't like is the sawzall. Actually, this is the reciprocating saw. I just think that vibrating is too much, but when you need this one, you better have this one. Usually, it's not going to be used too much. I think for this price, got a lot of tools, especially this quality is a steal. So in my opinion, it's a must buy, especially you are a beginner of DIY or home renovation. It's not the big, huge brand. It's not like famous brand, but the quality, it can serve you well. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.